So I started a bodywork project this off-season. A lot of our fans, a lot of the teams have requested that we cover up our front fenders. So along with covering up our front fenders and getting our bodywork squared away, we decided we needed to upgrade our back fenders as well. And that required us to make completely custom bodywork. So we started making custom fenders. Our front ones are actually over at Built to Apex right now. And then we made our own wet layup molds for the back. So Matt's actually grinding one of the rear fenders we just popped out of the mold. And then we've got one of the molds we made back here. And I mean, I never really have done any large-scale fiberglass projects, so pretty happy that our first attempt we were able to get a usable product. So brand new, seen it here first, rear quarter panels for the KMR MX5, and we finally built front fenders. So stop hating.